Well, the weather is stormy outside and is also stormy inside here. But let's quickly check up with Rotimi Fakejo. He joins me now on the program to take a look at, to review yesterday's trading session. Good morning, Rotimi, and thank you so much for joining us on the program.
Good morning, Harriet.
Well, Rotimi, the market reversed Tuesday's loss, rather. Now, what gave the market direction? Because we see that on the losers table, Nigerian Breweries was actually the top loser. Even though it didn't shed so much, it lost about 75 kobo from its share price.
Well, I think you said it. That is about the best reason that can be attributed to it. Looking at the other securities, we saw that the likes of Zenith Bank actually gained some points. In fact, again, it ended up closing with 43 kobo added to its share price. And I think it being a highly capitalized company will definitely have an impact. And we also saw a gain in WAPCO, Lafarge WAPCO. And since there isn't any more significant change in the other highly capitalized stocks, then definitely whatever little gain that we saw in these other ones will definitely be able to impact so much on the market. And I think the results are still coming in, and investors are taking them in good light. And with that, I believe the market is still something to actually give to attract investors' attention positively, because there is hardly, apart from what we saw much earlier, maybe in the week, there hasn't been any results that have been disappointing at all. So I think this will definitely hold sway, and as we get more results, definitely the market will react accordingly.
Well, now looking at that losers list, we know that Fidelity Bank recently posted its result, and it's on the losers list. We see that Fidelity Bank actually lost about 16 kobo from its share price. Are investors actually reacting to the bank's drop in its profit after tax?
Yeah, I think I believe strongly with that. Investors should be more confident about the market, because the market is very responsive. There is nothing like manipulation of price or whatsoever. Whatever is available for operators to work on is definitely what will be the reflection at the end of the day. The result isn't impressive at all, and at least so far as we have seen, it's been about the worst results we have seen among the results released from the banking sector stock. So if it's getting this kind of reaction, then definitely it deserves it. And I believe maybe after today, we may see, by the time it will be trading below 2 naira, then I think investors may begin to see more opportunity in it vis-a-vis the quantum of the dividend, about 14 crore, which they are paying. So I think it's quite expected the kind of reaction that we are seeing that is following the Fidelity Bank.
All right, so now looking at the way the market is trading now, which equities seem more favored by investors? Because lately it seems to be small and medium cap stocks.
Well, I think at this point in time, everything you are seeing now is reactionary. Either if a result is good, there is more investors' appetite will increase for such. And if the result is bad, then definitely they will go ahead to offload their positions in that particular stock. So whatever we are position that we are right now, had already the expectation of the result has been built into it. So I think that for now, there's really no new sensation except reactions that are trailing the results. So I think that will continue until we begin to see Q1 result for the various companies. So I think for now, it's still the banking sector stocks are still attractive, at least for some of them. And I think the industrial goods and the consumer goods also, some of them are attractive. And I think insurance sector is not really too attractive, although we've seen results coming from about 2 months side and Custodian Island. Those results were good, especially Custodian Island and the kind of dividends they are paying.
Well, so that means no stock has actually recorded any unusual trend from the way we're going, or from the way the market is going.
Not at all.
Okay, now looking at the positive momentum recorded yesterday, will it likely continue today? Are there any indications that the market is going to continue this positive momentum?
Well, I think if you remember yesterday, we said if there's no significant change in the likes of Dangote Cement and Nigerian Breweries, and maybe in addition, Nestle, Nigeria PLC, that the market will definitely go up. And I think that also will still stand today, except if the result that is very, very, very negative is sent into the market. There is still a result that the market is apprehensive of, and that's the result of First Bank Holdings, Nigeria PLC. The market is very apprehensive of it. They are waiting endlessly for that result, and the fear is that it may not be as investors or operators are expecting. So if such a result comes today and is actually what they are expecting, then the market may go further down.
So we'll keep our eye on those numbers and hope that when the results from First Bank Holdings does hit the market, it wouldn't be in a negative way. Investors will be happy with it, and so the market will continue the positive momentum. But thank you so much, Rotimi, for sharing your thoughts with us this morning on the program.
You're welcome.
Well, there's plenty to come on Business Morning, including the news headlines for this hour and, of course, a look at trading activities from some major markets. Please join us again.